Greetings, my fellow descendants. It's your boy Rachel Pro, and I'm back with yet another interesting tutorial. Guys, I am so excited to be back on your screens, on those phones out there. But before I continue, you know what to do, right? Do hit that subscribe button, do hit that like button, and actually comment on what you think about my videos. Okay guys, let's go to Facebook. It's SciMasters. Go to Instagram and TikTok. We have SciMasters ZA. You can subscribe, like, follow us, check out our contents there. There's actually tutorials on our TikTok page. Guys, I'm so happy to be back, and probably you guys ask yourself, where have you been, dude? I mean, like, we need you. We need you for all these things. Guys, I've just been going through a rough patch, so I took a break, you understand, and I was just finding myself, and I had no motivation. And I believe that you can't do anything if there's no motivation. But actually, I got my motivation back, that this is what I was made for, to change you guys' lives. So I'm officially back. You understand what I'm saying? It was just a 3-month break, but actually it's nothing big. So I'm officially back, and I'll be giving you tutorials weekly without no disturbance. What's new? Very interesting. What's new? Number one, we're gonna be starting. We're gonna dwell more on your paper 2, which I feel like has been sidelined, or pretty much on this channel has not been done or touched on a lot. We're gonna be doing a lot of paper 3. I'm talking about your essays, your narrative, descriptive, argumentative, you understand what I'm saying, discursive, you know the words. We'll be dealing with your transactional writing as well, you understand, just to wrap up the whole English syllabus as well. Thank you very much. And then we'll be dealing with a new subject. That's like a surprise that I got for you guys. It's a surprise. So there's a new subject that I've added. Remember, we've been doing English home language, we're doing maths and physics, and so now K-Pro has decided to add this fiery subject to change more learners' lives. And this stream is not a science stream, guys. It's a stream that most people are always complaining about, and they've been requesting me to help them with. So now I've decided to undertake the task to change their life. So there's a new subject that's coming in on this YouTube channel, and I believe you guys are gonna love those tutorials. You understand what I'm saying? Not saying that there will not be there will not be English tutorials or whatsoever, but I'm just saying there's something new that we are adding. There's some spice. And on the other hand, we'll be having lives every week. We will be having lives each and every week, not every day, every week, once a week, where we'll be discussing question papers. We'll be discussing certain sections on comprehension, whatever. For example, let's just say summary. We can have a certain live where we talk about the summary and we're asking questions about the summary, because sometimes you watch a video and you just feel like there's questions that I want to ask, and you drop a comment and your comment is not answered due to like thousands of comments that I get every day. So on the live, during the live, you get to ask a question and your question gets answered on the spot. So we will be dropping posters on the YouTube community, and we will also be dropping posters on the WhatsApp groups that we have for SciMasters to inform you about when those lives are taking place each and every week. The poster will be having the date and the time. Don't worry, the live is completely free. I know that, but the live is completely free of charge. You get to ask whatever question you want to ask. Even if there's something from the question paper that you want to pass by and you want to ask, you are free to do that, and I'll be answering everything on the lives. Right? Perfectly. And we'll also be doing some NPO work throughout the community, especially for adult matric and people that are upgrading, and also the matriculants that are writing, to prepare you guys for those distinctions and that quality matric pass, so that you can be an educated citizen. You understand what I'm saying? So we'll also be undertaking those in various schools. So that's what's new. That's what you should actually look forward to. Understand? But nonetheless, I'm so happy to be back. I'm so happy to be with you guys. Just do me a favor, subscribe to my content, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, share with your friends, drop comments, and we're ready to rock and roll. There's so many things that are coming. We are about to have fun.